Hey everyone, it's Alejandra. Happy New Year. I hope you are having a great start to 2019, feeling inspired, feeling like yourself, feeling organized and on top of things, and just hope you're feeling great. I wanted to film this quick video and invite you to join me for the 2019 Mindful World Parenting Summit that I was a part of. It's going on right now into next week. It's completely free to join, and the summit's mission is all about raising more resilient, mindful, aware, and authentic children. And I couldn't feel more passionate about the topics that are being talked about in the summit. I was one of the speakers. I spoke on the 3 keys to getting organized, and while the summit is intended for parents, my talk was intended for parents as well, since it's a parenting summit, but some of the strategies that I shared are applicable to anyone, regardless if you have children or not. So my talk is on Saturday. There's a link below if you want to register and watch my talk. When you register, you're also going to get access to over 30 talks from incredible thought leaders, some of the most well-known thought leaders in the industry. A lot of them are some of my favorite authors that I have books on there on my bookshelf in my office. So it was just such an honor to be included. I hope you will check it out if you are a parent, or if you're not a parent. Check out the topics, check out some of the speakers and see what they're speaking about, and see if it's something that you want to explore and learn more about. Again, it's free to join. I'll put a link below.
Or you can create an environment where your best self is going to thrive as you're decluttering and organizing. The more successful you'll be in making conscious decisions that will allow you to accomplish all of your goals.
Okay.
If you're curious about the Mindful World Parenting Summit that's happening right now, it's free to join. There's a link below, and I'll also put a card up here to check it out. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.